Man, Dustin's been gone forever. We're supposed to start on a project boat this week.
It's been a long time coming, Wilson, but hold on, baby. Me and this old boat are coming home. Oh, God, here we go, baby. Here we go. Let's go have some fun. Great work is mandatory. It's a must. If you want to continue to grow and you want to get to the goals that you have set forth, then you have to put out great work. It's got to be the best. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Shop Talk. With that summer rush finally getting behind us and that cool weather's just right around the corner, it's a perfect time to bring those project boats like this one right here that may need just a little extra love over to Easy In and let us take care of them for you. Wow, this Starcraft boat has been through it. It's in about as bad a condition as a boat can get. After sitting in the sun and rain for years, it has heavy water damage and heavier oxidation. So in today's episode, we're gonna figure out just what it's gonna take to bring this boat back to life. Now, before we get started, we gotta get this year's worth of dirt and grime off this boat. In order to do that, we're gonna do what we call an acid bath. We're gonna strip all of this gel coat down to reveal what's underneath to see what we gotta do. Now, with acid being as harsh of a chemical as it is, we can't just leave it sitting on the boat. So the next step is to neutralize that acid with a foam soap to stop it from causing any more damage. And once we dry the boat down, now you can really see what shape it's in. So after the acid bath, now you can see what you're working with. And boy, we can tell this boat is heavily oxidized. And remember, the oxidation is the gel coat just breaking down from the sun damage. And you can tell even this vinyl is starting to show wear and tear. So we're gonna take and strip all this down. The blue right here is gonna polish out, but we gotta run up a test spot to figure out what exactly we're gonna do to bring this boat back to life. Now, something else you may notice is us going over these vinyl stripes. Now, sometimes we're able to save them, but in this case, we're gonna go ahead and pull them off and pull this old vinyl off so we can lay new stripes and new vinyl on this boat and make it look brand new. Now, after years of experience, we already know we're gonna have to start really aggressive on this boat. It's heavily oxidized, like I said before, and so we're gonna start with sanding it down. And we're gonna start really low with a 500 pad. And so what we're doing is sanding through all that oxidation, getting down to the good fresh gel coat so we can polish this baby to a shine. Now, you can see Matt's pad right here. You can see how it's turned white. Normally this is gray. That's the old oxidation and old gel coat getting in the sandpaper, and we know that we're really digging through that oxidation, getting back to where we need to be. Now, as I mentioned before, we're sanding down really deep, but we gotta come back up with higher grit sandpaper, because the more aggressive that we sand on, we're actually leaving sand scratches behind. So we call this process stepping it up. We start at 500, go to 1,000, 2,000, and even 3,000 grit to lead the finish that we're looking for. Now, as you can see, Matt's changed tools here. He's got our rotary buffer out with a wool pad, and we're using compound to bring that shine back. Inevitably, we're just polishing those sand scratches even further out and making this boat shine. And we got one more step to go before pure perfection. Man, don't that look good? you can see, Matt's got this baby shining like a diamond in a goat's. But he's not done yet. We got to take this same process and go around this entire boat. So it's going to take quite some time. So I need you to catch us next week so you can see just what the finished product looks like. But in the meantime, if you catch yourself with a detail like this or any other detail need, head on over to easynDetail.com and click Get My Estimate. That's going to do it for this episode of Shop Talk, and I'll see you next week. Now you can really see what shape the boat is in. Yeah, I didn't mean to. We got to get all this years of dirt and grime off of it so that we can see what we're working with. And something else you may notice are these vinyl stripes. All right, can you see Wilson? All right, you ready?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
Yeah, there it goes. Bring the water down. Bring the water down. I'm gonna count you down.
Yeah. There you go, like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna count you down.
Okay.
And then when I say one, y'all go and start throwing the water one by one. Not all at the same time.
All right, here we go.
Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
One for it, seesaw. Yeah, there you go.
Are you ready?
3, 2, 1.
It's been a long time coming, Wilson. But hold on, baby. Get this old boat coming home. Oh, here we go, baby. Here we go.
I think they like that.
We've never done anything like
Woo! That's good. Woo! It's been a long time coming, Wilson. But hold on, baby. Me and this old boat are coming home. Oh, God, here we go, baby. Here we go.